So briefly, we want to outline and define all of the benefits and uses for YouTube marketing in the event that you A, need more convincing to jump on the YouTube bandwagon, or B, you'd like a better idea of how exactly YouTube marketing can impact your business and the desired goals you hope to accomplish through utilising this giant digital media platform. And don't worry, we're going to cover all of this in great detail further into the course. Obviously, for any business, it's all about conversion rates. So first things first, videos have been proven to increase conversions and sales by a staggering 80%. Incivia reports for 2017 revealed that embedding a video within a landing page could effectively increase conversion rates by 80%, and over 70% of users who watched a video demonstrating a product subsequently made a purchase. Moreover, nearly 50% of people looking to purchase a product look for a video related to it prior to actually buying it in store. Undoubtedly, audiovisuals are incredibly key factors in influencing human behaviour and actions. Now, additionally, 4 times as many customers would prefer to watch a video about a product or service than to read about it. And it makes sense when you learn that the average human attention span is roughly 8 seconds, and that reading text has actually become work for most people in modern society. Yep, that's right, reading is work, especially if there's a lot of information that needs to be digested. This really is a factor to take into consideration, given that videos do well to eradicate this challenge of keeping people's attention by giving them key information with captivating and engaging imagery. The best part is that you don't just have to take my word for it. Science can prove why video marketing is better than conventional text. With regard to the psychology of persuasion and neurology, a whopping 90% of information that's transmitted to the brain is visual, and what's more, that imagery is processed 60,000 times faster by the brain than with text. This latest data is reported by 3M Corporation, Zabisco, and the Stanford Persuasive Technology Lab. That means you must implement videos within your campaigns. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. If you follow the top scientific evidence and findings out there, you'll be able to optimize your marketing strategy and business objectives in no time at all. Think about it. If data shows that 40% of people respond better to visual information than plain text, and viewers spend 2.6 more time on pages with videos embedded in them, then what do you have to lose? Another key benefit from using YouTube marketing is the increase of brand recognition, awareness, and engagement. Did you know that videos are shared 12 times more than posts only containing text or links? Well, that higher share rate means wonders for a digital word-of-mouth marketing strategy, as it automatically improves your chances of being remembered and recognised by your target audiences. Brand awareness is key for any brand or business, and as such, you should be mindful that if you're not big on YouTube, you're bound to fall behind your competition. Some of the previously mentioned brands that found success on YouTube did so primarily through high levels of online engagement with fans and cross-promotion among many other social media outlets. What better place to reach your audience than by going where they already are? YouTube has some of the widest diversity when it comes to demographics as well as distribution. This is because people of all ages, genders, cultures, socioeconomic backgrounds, and locations have gathered on the free platform. And more importantly, they are very likely to already be familiar with the kinds of communities, insight navigation, and tech features available through YouTube. In this way, you can communicate your message and promote your brand in a space that they already feel positive towards and feel comfortable within. According to the Online Publishers Association, 80% of internet users recall a video ad they viewed in the past 30 days. And when YouTube is the #1 video search engine and curator currently on the web, it's pure logic that YouTube marketing contributes positively to brand awareness and recognition. In addition to this, 92% of mobile video consumers have a high propensity to share videos with others, according to data from Invodo. This reinforces the idea that video campaigns can sizably influence brand awareness. If you do in fact need even more persuasion, since as early as April 2015, reports showed that 65% of Google preferred ads on YouTube helped to create an average increase of 17% in brand awareness. Google preferred ads can help show your ads beside the top 5% of content searched on YouTube, all on the basis of channel rank. So essentially, just like ads shown during prime time on TV, your ads can be shown among those ranked highest in popularity and passion. And when you think popularity and passion, just think of watch time and engagement data. We'll discuss these ad types a bit later on. Thanks to helpful metric tracking tools like Google's Brand Lift Solutions and Studies, we have been able to see and measure the exact impacts that YouTube marketing can have on a brand, especially as it pertains to awareness, perception, purchase intent, and influence on sales. See, the concept of Google Brand Lift in general is that user behavior is tracked from the time an impression occurs between ad view and the time a conversion happens. This is important to study because the starting point from reach to the ending point of conversion is rarely a straight line. It is vital for a business to track any increase in consumer interaction with its brand as a result of an advertising campaign, and looking into brand lift could be the key indicator of a positive shift in customer awareness and perception. By researching these increases in engagement within the YouTube platform, Google can track the effectiveness of video ad campaigns and ultimately see which strategies work and which don't. So what we're seeing now is a huge shift in digital marketing research, as well as even bigger gains and impacts from video marketing altogether. Neurological studies on visual appeal for web designs have shown that the brain makes first impressions within the first 50 milliseconds of exposure to anything visual. This finding could then be applied to anything related to the world of media communication, whether that's a web page, video, text, or a multimedia mixed campaign. In addition to this, a scientific media trial found that touch-enabled video ads led to a 50% improvement in brand favorability. These results were primarily derived from the sense of touching and navigating within a video, which led to feelings of heightened connectivity and engagement with a brand. The same study reported that a standard video ad brought about significantly higher levels of happiness and excitement by 37% and 30% respectively. So if such a study also finds that video ads create a 6% increase in favourable associations made with a brand, which it did, then you as a marketer can only benefit from implementing video marketing, especially through the already thriving YouTube engine. Studies also show that if a video ad is perceived as being enjoyable, whether it was an ad for a product or service, purchase intent increased by as much as 97%. Do you think you could miss out on a business opportunity like that? I'm not certain you'd want to. What's more is that with Google's TrueView in-stream ad reports, data shows that YouTube video ads increase metrics that are crucial in the later stages of the customer journey. If you didn't know, Google TrueView in-stream ads run on YouTube videos, as well as any other channels within the Google Display Network, appearing across Android and iOS YouTube apps, as well as connected TVs. As these video ads can be skipped within the first 5 seconds, information on any kind of extended watch time or interaction, such as a click through to a website, is vital to know when it comes to gauging campaign success. So the importance of these TrueView reports is that they can prove YouTube video ads have a significant effect in the later stages of a user's customer journey. This conclusion came after it was revealed that YouTube in-stream ads improved purchase consideration among 57% of campaigns, enhanced favorability among 24% of campaigns, and increased purchase intent among 35% of campaigns. With that being said, YouTube marketing has shown to be not only an advertiser's dream come true, but it's also proven itself to be the ideal sweet spot for anyone looking to successfully build their brand image on a massive global scale. YouTube is not just an immense search engine, it is also an incredibly vast library. You're able to store and curate your content and subsequently present it in a neat package as a professional portfolio in the event that someone wants to learn more information about you. Now, what better way to bring your work to life than through a video collection that not only communicates your brand identity in an engaging way, but also practically illustrates your overall characteristics as a business. For instance, you may state that your brand values include accessibility, responsiveness, compassion, and inclusivity. However, if you do not show that through your channel, then you cannot prove your credibility and your audience will see through your facade. If you say that you promote diversity and inclusivity and your YouTube videos reflect those values through the showcase of varied ethnicities or genders and orientations, then your audience will see confirmation of your message. Hence, YouTube marketing is a great way to establish your values and solidify what you broadcast in an array of visual accounts. Another amazing thing about YouTube is its analytics database, which can be considered very similar to the Facebook Audience Insights and Network tools. You can access the analytics reports quite easily by going to the Creator Studio and clicking on the Analytics tab of the menu and then clicking on whichever report you want to access. Essentially, each and every report is going to show you some kind of valuable data and statistic regarding how well your channel is performing and progressing from past history. The YouTube Analytics section is so crucial. It's like a control panel that can give you both a bird's eye view of what's working on your channel and disclose deeper insights that have been shown to be vital for your channel's growth. Not sure where to begin? Consider focusing first on a few key statistics that interest you. Things like views, watch time or subscribers. Do the trend lines go up? Are the numbers what you expect? Try reviewing just a couple of reports first to gauge if you're on course, then dive deeper in to see how easy changes to your channel can help move you closer towards a goal. With YouTube Analytics, you will never be left in the dark when it comes to how well your channel is performing, how your video ads are impacting your business, who your audience actually is, or what strategy is working and which isn't. So, not only can you gauge your success through all of these measurements, but you can do so through an easy process without having to pay out extra costs for additional social media management tools. We recommend specifically paying attention to watch time, demographics, audience retention, and traffic sources reports in order to effectively manage your own YouTube channel. What's more is that you know the numbers you see are the most accurate because YouTube implements the same data aggregation tools as the behemoth Google search engine. You can rest assured that with the YouTube Analytics API, which means Application Programming Interface, your reports will be up to date and capable of guiding your channel to success. Now that we've listed some of the best reasons to get into the world of YouTube marketing, hopefully you're feeling ready to learn more about how to actually begin your channel and start marketing for you and your brand. We're going to thoroughly explain the ins and outs of the YouTube business machine, and we're also going to show exactly how it functions, all through providing the most pragmatic tips and tricks as well as the most representative case studies of successful YouTube marketing. We hope that you're getting as pumped as we are, because the bullet train that is YouTube is not slowing down anytime soon. This course is going to guide you step by step from the most basic to the most complex components of YouTube marketing in order to set up your channel for the most successful outcome. Continue on to the next section to find out exactly how you can set up your own channel and begin using the most popular video sharing platform for your specific needs. So now I'll pass you over to Theodora, our resident digital marketing expert. She'll guide you through the steps of setting up your own YouTube channel, the first step towards mastering the world's most popular video sharing platform for your specific needs.